Reese sat at the edge of the playground. The warm afternoon sun was breaking across the sand, but Reese's heart felt quiet and still. Other children were playing happily, but Reese only watched. Reese desperately wanted to join the fun. He wanted to soar on the swing and zip down the slide, but the words, "Can I play too?" felt like a heavy stone stuck in his throat, and they just wouldn't come out. Instead, when his chest felt tight, Reese would quickly pull on a friend's shirt or pinch an arm. Then the friends would get startled and run away, and Reese would feel even lonelier. "Why can't I do anything else?" he wondered. Reese's teacher taught him a special way to connect. "Reese," she had explained, "when you want to join in, approach your friends slowly, in 2 gentle steps. Step 1. Make eye contact, and in a soft voice, say just one simple word, 'Hi.'" Reese's heart was pounding, but he bravely practiced. He took a big breath in, "Hi," then a breath out, "Hi." Instead of a loud shout, he tried saying it quietly first. Finally, Reese saw Elara swinging by herself. Now is the time, he thought. He was afraid, but this time he didn't pull or pinch. He walked slowly toward the swing set. Reese met Elara's eyes. In a trembling voice, he whispered it out, "Hi." Elara stopped her swing and smiled brightly. "Hi, Reese," she answered. Step 2. It was Rice's turn to try the second step. Without rushing, he asked his question very clearly. "May I play with you?" Elara nodded right away. "Yes, of course. Let's swing together." Reese sat on the empty swing beside her, and the 2 children began to swing together under the warm sun. Reese had finally let go of the heavy stone in his heart.